So guys, on page 213 on the top, the green block, inside the green block there is preamble of India. You will memorize it and you should memorize this. As a citizen of India, as an Indian, you should memorize this preamble of India. So what is preamble? The preamble, guys, simultaneously you open your notebook and you write first of all on the top chapter number 2, civics segment, and the heading of the chapter you write down ideals of our constitution, ideals of our constitution, and then question number 1, what is the preamble of India? What is the preamble of India? Or in between write or. What do you understand by the term, what do you understand by the term preamble of India? So then you have to write this definition. Put first bracket. From here, the preamble is an introductory document which explains the goals of government. It states the aims and objectives of the constitution. This you have to memorize. That is your duty. Spoon feeding, it is not possible. You have to memorize. This is the definition of preamble. And then you memorize this preamble. That means preamble means this is an oath on behalf of a citizen of India, that it is the loyalty that you are dedicated to your nation, you are loyal, you are trustworthy. That is why you have to take this oath. So a careful study of the preamble reveals that it is people of India who are stating their aims and giving power to themselves. It thus depicts the hopes and aspiration of the people of India. That means I am giving you assurance. You means I am giving the nation. Nation means government. Nation means the democratic nation, the parliament. I am giving you assurance that any crucial moment I am with you as a citizen of India. Now what is meant by sovereignty? Guys, the next question, question number 2. What is sovereignty? Note down. Question 2. What is sovereignty? Then or in between. What is the term meant by sovereignty? What is the term meant by sovereignty? You confirm the spelling from your book. Now you will write, later on, you will write the definition of sovereignty in your notebook. What is sovereignty or what is the term meant by sovereignty? Sovereignty is the freedom to govern ourselves within a territory and to be free from any external control. All Indians are free to govern themselves and to make laws. Up to laws. This is the definition. That means you are free. That means after 18 years. 18 years it is the voting age. So you can cast your vote from the age of 18. So I am not talking about the minors. I am talking about the adults. So everyone has the right to move within the country anywhere, to settle down, to build house, but they have to go through the proper channel legally, but they have full right to move inside the countries. Apart from, all Indians are free to govern themselves and to make laws. under the judiciary department. They have full right. The citizen has full right to knock at the door of the judiciary department if any problem the individual faces. You know that very well. So there should be no external interference. External means foreign interference outside the country. No external interference of any kind of the functioning of the government. That means whatever the problem or problems the citizen would face, the citizen has full right to knock at the door or to seek help from the government. There are segments, departments are there, but there should be no external interference. That means no interference of any foreign land or any foreign country. That is called sovereignty. That means free India, you are free to exercise any kind of laws or rules, but that should be according to the laws or legal. Those should be legalized. Now let us come to the point socialism. What is socialism? Socialism means, now guys, question number 3. What is socialism? Or in between, that means in the middle, right? Or what do you understand by the term socialism? Question number 3. What is socialism? Or what do you understand by the term socialism? Now the definition is, put first bracket. From here, socialism means that everyone must enjoy social and economic equality. Under social equality, everyone must have equal status and opportunities. Economic equality refers to equitable distribution of wealth and decent standard of living for all. This you have to memorize. Only you have to understand that what is socialism. Socialism, this is practiced, especially nowadays, it is practiced in the communist countries. Previously, it was practiced in Russia, but now Russia, it has become Russia. Previously, it was called as USSR. But at present, it has become Russia. Now, there is no socialism that is not practiced in Russia, but that means communism, you can say. It is still practiced in China and 2-3 other countries of the world. This communism is still practiced. So the supporters of socialism, they believe that the wealth of the state or the country should be divided equally. The wealth of the country or the state should be divided equally amongst the people of the nation. That means there will be no rich, wealthy, and there will be no poor. That means equal share and equal rights of the property or wealth of that particular or respective state or country, each and every citizen has. But it is not happening in our country. There are many capitalists, many industrialists, capitalists are there in our country. Poverty is also there. Poverty means poor people. So this socialism, it is not practiced in India. We have long way to go to reach this goal. Still there is an intense discrimination of the wealth between poor and rich. You know that very well. And the current status, whatever the poor people are facing, you are the witness of the current time, what is going on in our country. So that is why socialism, that means the wealth of the respective state or nation should be divided equally. There should not be rich and poor, or there should be no segregation or discrimination between people. There should be no discrimination of the categories in the people. So that is called socialism. And here in the paragraph, in the concluding part in this paragraph, you put first bracket for the proper up to equality.